Yo, to all my creatives, on Wednesday, February 26th, we will be doing a Black Window Cream exclusive live stream with two-time award-winning VFX superstar Kawika Banis. This live stream will be about an introduction to VFX. If you are an aspiring VFX artist or a video creator that wants to learn how to implement VFX into your current work, then you definitely want to tune into this stream. Some of the artists that Kawika has worked with are Chris Brown, DaBaby, Lil Wayne, Big Sean, Travis Barker, Rick Ross, a million others. I can't even list them all. Kawika will be breaking down the three most important fundamental skills of all VFX work, how to develop your skills by creating spec work, and how to build clients as a VFX artist. Our conversation will be free-flowing as we dive into these topics and answer your questions along the way. And at the end of the discussion, we will be doing a live Q&A where you'll be able to hop in via video chat and talk to Kawika and me directly and ask any question you want. If you want to join this live stream, make sure to register by clicking the link below. We will see you there. Black Window Cream going hammer in 2020.